And Greeley, thank you so much for those wonderful folks. You're listening to Pirate 104.7 FM. It is Tuesday, November 18th, and we got about 8 minutes after the hour of 8 o'clock. And my name is George Gray, taking your calls at 970-378-1047. 970-378-1047 is our phone number. So the boys and I did something fun yesterday. We went down to Denver, and I wanted to make sure that we talked about this because it was really, really cool. It's called Dinos Alive, Immersive Experience. It's a dinosaur exhibition that takes you back millions of years to a land ruled by giants. And it is currently right now in Denver. We went down yesterday, which was a great day to go down because it wasn't super busy. They had animatronics, and the boys just absolutely love this thing. And this is really set up for everybody. Families, young, old. It was very, very entertaining. And we just had a wonderful, wonderful time. They have a VR experience. And I will tell you that if you have not done VR, it can be kind of, you might get a little dizzy. But they have people inside this room. So it's interesting. When you look at the room, it's just a regular old room. It's got some, I guess you would call them QR codes, I guess, located on the floor and along the walls and stuff. But you put on this VR thing, and all of a sudden you're transported back to the dinosaur days, and you're walking around, you're looking at stuff. There's dinosaurs flying you can look all over the place, and you actually feel as though you're back in time. And they got all the stuff flying around you. You're there for a little bit, and then a transporter opens up, and you walk through that, and you get into the next scenario. And I tell you, the one that was really cool. Now it's geared for you have to be at least 6 years or older. Carson has a VR at home, so he's kind of used to it. He did well. Little Henry, he just kind of held my hand. He probably had no idea what we were doing because Daddy had a VR and I'm seeing all this stuff, and all Henry sees is a room. So it's not for everybody. But I think the only time that really got me is that we transported to a portion of the earth where we had to walk across a log that was over a canyon, and down below was water, and there's waterfalls, and there's pterodactyls flying all over the place. And let me tell you something. I was holding Henry's hand, and of course he had no idea what was going on, but he was having fun because he's hanging on to Daddy's hand, and he's just grabbing onto whatever. And I thought I was going to fall off. I mean, honestly, it was like, oh my gosh, I gotta stay on this log going over this little canyon thing. But I highly recommend this thing, and I'll put the link on our Pirate Facebook page. But you see all kinds of dinosaurs, and then there's a little gift shop. And let me tell you, typically your gift shops are really kind of the tourist trap. But I was really pleased that the pricing of the stuff that you can buy there is actually really, really, really affordable. So the one thing that this organization did is they made it extremely fun and exciting and educational for everybody, and they also made it affordable. So Dinos Alive, an immersive experience down in Denver. I highly recommend it if you have an opportunity to get down to that. And I have some good news. We're going to be giving away some tickets. Like I said, I have a conversation with a young man Thursday morning, so we're going to talk all about that. Then I got some family 4-packs we're going to give away, so stay tuned for that.